This simple test will expose why your lower back keeps getting tight, sore, or injured. And if you can't pass this test, then you might realize your spine might not even be strong enough to handle everyday stress. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix, and we've helped thousands with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to show you a simple test to test your lower back strength. And if you fail, exactly how to fix it. Most people think their low back pain is coming from bad posture, they sit too much, or they're getting older. But what if the real problem is that your low back just simply isn't strong enough? And there's a very simple way to test that. It's called the lumbar extension hold test. And this one test can instantly tell you if your spine is strong enough to help protect you from injury. And most people fail it. So here's how you do it. Lay face down on a bench or table, adjust your body so that your hips are located at the edge and your upper body is hanging off. Now have someone hold your legs down. Usually they're gonna be sitting on your legs as far back as they can, having a fun ride. Let your upper body hang totally down. Now lift your upper body up so you are parallel to the floor and cross your arms over your chest. Now here's the test. For a man, you wanna be able to hold this for 2.5 minutes. For a woman, you wanna be able to hold it for 3 minutes. No breaks, just holding. So after you try this, did you make it? Or did your lower back start burning, shaking, and give out? Because if you couldn't hit those numbers, it tells us that your spinal extensors and your multifidus are weak. And that's a big problem because those muscles are the ones that support your spine, protect your discs, and handle everyday stress and load. So if you are lifting, sitting, bending, doing all these normal things, but your back can't support that, then your discs take more stress, your joints take more stress, and it could lead to injury. Now, the good news is that you can fix this and you don't need to hit 2 to 3 minutes immediately. We can build up to this strategically based on where you're at. So let's say you can only hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds. That's fine. Everybody starts somewhere, and I'm happy that you're motivated to do something about your back pain and your overall fitness. So start doing this 3 sets per day at the amount that you can hold. So for example, 3 sets of 20 seconds. Do that about 3 times per week, attempting to add 10 seconds each week. And that's it. Simple load progression. But that's not where it stops, of course. Over time, your endurance will build and your strength will increase and your spine will become more stable. And what that means is now your body is more resilient to stress. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Now, of course, you don't want to get strong in only one position. This is incredibly helpful, but you want to reinforce this strength in multiple ways as well. Now, you want to challenge your back strength through movement as well. Get back into deadlifts, deemed to be a terrible movement for your lower back, but that's only by doctors that don't even lift or people that don't understand back issues. And challenge your spine in multiple ways. Start doing lateral plane work, doing suitcase carries or farmer's walks or side planks. Challenge the front of your spine too, with planks or dead bugs or other variations from a front-facing position. This is how you bulletproof your lower back. Not by avoiding movement, but by building strength with movement. But here's the part most people miss. Although it's incredibly important to build strength and not be weak, weakness is not the only reason for your pain. In fact, many times the clients that come to us are quite strong. We get CrossFit athletes and strongmen and bodybuilders. They're not weak, but they're still dealing with the same low back pain that you are. The disc irritation, the sciatica down the leg. And that's because strength doesn't always directly relate to these more specific conditions. You could have mobility issues, disc irritation, nerve compression, or poor movement patterns. And building strength on top of these things will not fix them. If you have a herniated or bulging disc, and that gets worse with certain movements, packing muscle around the disc will not change the disc bulge. Your movement will change the disc bulge. So if you're only focusing on one piece and you're getting really strong, but your back pain staying the same, you might be missing what's more important. So yes, get strong, but I also don't want you guessing on what's going to fix your pain and what the root issue is. And that's why we created our centralization process, which can tell us exactly what is causing your pain and what you need to do to fix it. And on average, provides 37% reduction in pain in the first session. And for some of our clients, as much as complete symptom relief within as little as 15 days. And I want you to try it. So if you'd like a free demo with my team, just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, and you can get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. Text me right now so you don't miss this opportunity to finally get a plan and get back to living the life that you deserve without limitations, without worry, and with total freedom. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life and how we are getting our clients a bulletproof back. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in our program real soon.